Picking a niche. When picking a niche, you have to make sure that you have the determination to follow it through. Don't just pick one and then give up. Try identifying your passion and your interests. This may be something that you have already done. Make a list of your top 10 topical interests and passions. This will lessen the odds of you quitting, especially as a first-time business owner. Identifying people's problems that you can solve can make you money, but before you resolve the problem, make sure you research your competition. Determine if your niche is profitable first and then test your idea. Testing an idea can be hard, but if you join groups on social media, then you can target potential customers by asking questions about what problems they are experiencing. Then you can find the answers, but always make sure you go above and beyond by delivering good, high quality content and products. Then you can get a good reputation for yourself and then start making some money. MRR or PLR, what does this mean? Well, MRR stands for Master Resale Rights. MRR rights are very similar to PLR products, apart from you are not allowed to change the product in any way or claim authorship over the product. The beauty of MRR products are that they allow you to resell the product onto your customers with the resale rights. This then allows for your customer to sell the product on to their customers. PLR stands for Private Label Rights, which allows you to rebrand the product, sell in any way you like, and for it to be changed in any way you wish. You are allowed to put your name as the author of the product, but you're not allowed to claim any copyright as the product is available to many others also. I always suggest joining a membership site that can supply on demand with any MRR or PLR products. These can be used to bulk your package up, or you could rebrand the products, taking full ownership. Now, there are two options which you can do. One, a monthly plan, which you will save money for now, or two, a lifetime membership. I always go for the whole hog, as this site continuously adds new content every month, giving you a full exclusivity to any brand new products. I did try monthly subscription, but this was limited on what I could download, so I upgraded to lifetime. It is so worth it. I would say yes, as this helped me bulk one of my products up and made me a lot of money with it when I launched. So I would strongly suggest to get on board with this before the price goes up, which I was told it would soon. You have nothing to lose and over 10,000 products to gain at your fingertips. Creating lead pages. Now, I have a few people asking what lead pages are, and the only answer I can really give is it's an offer page where you can give something away for free for a name and email. Then that email is called a lead. Once you build a relationship with them, your lead will become your loyal customer, but before any of this happens, you need to build a lead page. Oh no, this means technical work. Actually, yes and no. There are many methods to building a lead page, and you can build one in your autoresponder, which you already pay for. You need a lead capture page, otherwise you have failed your business already. So please make sure you subscribe to Aweber by clicking the link below. As I already said, follow the 5-step plan and you will start making money in no time. Advertising. The choice is yours when it comes to advertising. So many people advertise on social media, which works very well, but you have to be careful as they may suggest a wider audience. But that's a ploy to try and make you spend more money. Google AdWords is pretty good to advertise on, but it can also be expensive if not done right. So I have put a link here to a private Google training channel I set up for you for free of charge. I normally charge $97 for this access to the training, but I really want to help you out to get started and off the ground as soon as possible. Please do not share this link out, as I'm trusting you with this, and if I hear that the link has been shared, then I will take it down and no one will benefit from this training. Here is another private channel that I'm sharing with you about Facebook advertising, so please, same principles apply. I hope this helps you out a bit and saves you some money in the long term, as you'll be learning the correct methods from the start. Learning the correct way first, instead of just guessing how to advertise, will save you so much money and time. This is why I share some knowledge with you, as knowledge is king.